I know what type of day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia. And today I'm doing a transformation type of look. It's not really like a step-by-step makeup tutorial because I just did like my favorite type of cut crease, eye makeup with a bold lip and all of that. So if you want to watch me glam myself up and whatnot, then keep on watching. Okay, so one eye done off camera per usual, and I set this bad boy with some concealer or primed. I always say set, but I mean like prime. But anyways, I got a new palette to show you guys. When I was buying some stuff at BH Cosmetics, I got this bad boy for free. I love how BH Cosmetics does like their deals and stuff. Like every week they have percentage off, and it's actually like from 30 to 80% off of stuff. So you know, and you also get a free gift too. So I got this for free. It's the B palette by BubzBeauty, aka Lindsay Zhang. I personally never watched her on YouTube or followed her on her social media, but this palette is a really nice palette. So it's nice that she collaborated with BH Cosmetics. So yeah, the first shade I'm gonna use is called I knew I would get this wrong. Optimistic. I can read, it's just that I don't know, I'm so tongue-tied with my words. It's just really bad. So I'm gonna go with this shade as my transition. I love how this palette has a mirror, but the fallout is on a 10. So, but the shadows are pretty decent. I only use 3 shadows, but like, you know, as you follow along, you will hear my full review on this bad boy. Now I'm dipping into my CoverGirl ES08 eyeshadow palette, my favorite palette of all time. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, I'm just gonna dip into this shade right here. My usual brown shades I'm gonna be using because the palette doesn't have that much warm brown shades that I need. It only has like 2 brown shades anyways. The rest is like mainly shimmer and stuff. So, but anyways, I can dip with I can dip in any other palette, you know, because I hate it. But anyways, let me stop talking. Then I'm gonna use these 2 because one is just slightly darker than the other, so sometimes I like to mix it together or use either or. And I'm just placing it on the outer corner and swooshing it to my crease. Ooh, that was a lot. Yo, that was actually a lot. Yikes. I forgot to, I dabbed it in so hard and then I forgot to tap off the axis. On my right eye, I did use Inspired, which is a nice dark chocolate brown, but it wasn't pigmented on my eyes. I don't know, since like I'm more darker skin and all that. I'm still gonna apply it on my left eye, but then I grabbed my Jaclyn Hill palette and I used these 2 shades on my outer corner. So I'm applying Inspired on the outer corners. Like as you can see, it's not really that pigmented on my eyes, and it doesn't catch a lot of fallout like how Optimistic is. So I feel like it's not like it's really compressed where like it doesn't pick up the product the way it's supposed to. So you know, I'm just copying what I did on my right eye to my left eye. So yeah. But maybe if you're more lighter than me, it will work for you, but it doesn't work for me. So now I'm grabbing those 2 brown shades from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and as you can see, like, boom, it just works for me. Cause like the palette is pigmented and the shadows are just vibrant and all that good stuff. I'm gonna cut my crease. You already know. Oh my god, I haven't cut my crease since like I did my New Year's Eve look. So that's like almost 3 weeks ago, or it's been 3 weeks. Oh my god, can't wait, can't wait. So I don't set the concealer with like a shadow or transition powder, but I'm gonna go back to the shade Inspired on Mi Outer Corner to blend it in to concealer. I'm so sorry if you hear my baby brother. He is so loud. Like I know. As you can see, even with the concealer, you can see how light that shade is, and on the pad it looks darker to me, but I don't know if I'm just okay. The shade you guys have been waiting for, I applied this nice orange copper with like hints of purple or something. I don't know, it looked like the perfect sunset shade. It's called Opal, and you know, apply it on the cut crease area. The beauty of this eyeshadow is actually so breathtaking. But I'm gonna make me a sharp wing with my NYC liquid eyeliner in extreme black. Ooh, oh my god, that was actually such a breeze. I did it so perfect. My right eye was a little struggle, but you know, Chelsea makes it work. But I'm happy, so that's all that matters. Oh no, where did I put my lashes? Lashes, I'm using Dodo lashes in the style D119. I got me some new pairs. As you can see, it's meant for this look because wing eyeliner, winged out lashes. Okay, time for the face. Of course, I'm using my AOA Studio Wonder Skin Mattifying Primer from my T-zone because it just gives me so much light. And I'm just gonna use my primer spray for the rest of my face because you know how I have to. I like to keep that hydration. For foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 110 Cocoa and my Pro Glow in the shade 212. They're both, this is 112, this is 212. I've been saying 10, sorry. They're both in the shade Cocoa though, so. I can never use the matte one by itself, so I always mix it with the Pro Glow because this one is dry on my skin. And of course, for concealer, what else is new? Tarte Shape Tape on deck. Black Opal, Black Walnut, True Color Foundation Stick. Let's contour with it. To set the face, we are going to use our Covergirl Professional Loose Powder in the shade Medium. Wow, I'm so freaking weird. And of course, I set my whole face with a powder that you can't even get in the US. Yay! Going back to the eyes, I'm going to use the shade Inspired to define my waterline. And I'm going to use Optimistic to blend my lower waterline. Ew, this is too light for this shit. Oh my god. I'm just gonna use the second crease shade that, or like the first shade that we grabbed from the Covergirl palette. Cause wow, that was light as hell. Apply your favorite mascara. Oh yes, and you are done with the eyes, honey. You know the drill. Profusion Studio Contour Palette to set my contour, to bronze a little bit, and all that jazz. I'm gonna go something light and use Luminosity from Milani. And highlighter. Oh my gosh, my favorite Bubbly from AOA Studio. Their Wonder Big Highlighter. I dolled all myself up. You already know the transformation is real. So for lips, I'm using my Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Blush On. I can finally use this now. Like I said, I can finally use this bad boy because I just want to go so bold that no one can touch me. Like, what? Oh my god, this lipstick smells so good. This one smells more stronger, like the scent that like the other two that I used already from Morphe. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all my social medias. I'll be down in the description. Yo, name. yes. I hope you guys have a good day, and you already know what type of day it is. It's your girl Chelsea Afia. Peace. You can't make noise. My boy, you have to go upstairs, okay, please? Please?
No.
Please?
No!
EA! EA! Go upstairs.